This is probably the sharpest football podcast at this company.
100%, yeah.
And let's list the other ones that are less sharp than us.
Part
of my take. Busting with the boys.
Busting with the boys isn't even really a football podcast.
Surf and turf.
That's more like lifestyle.
They kind of fit in like the
cool ass white dudes.
Yeah, the $1 million worth of game, macro dosing,
100%.
Pat Bev Pod, Unnecessary Roughness. We're sharper than them. College
Way
football show, sharper than them. Pro football
mostly
show,
sports.
We're sharper than mostly sports.
Or like mostly fucking sucks.